Hey guys, so my younger brother went to Porthacourt International Airport, to make some inquiries. So I just begged him that he should try to capture some sight and sounds of the area. Let me just see what it looks like and share with you guys. So they didn't allow him to film much because Nigeria, there are some areas he wouldn't be allowed to film. When they see with camera, they begin to think they are unsafe or they are not safe, especially in the society of Nigeria nowadays, where issue of kidnapping is has become order of the day. So from my own observation here, the airport is not that busy, unlike that of Lagos, where I'm quite familiar with. So but I'll just allow you guys to enjoy the sight and sound, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.